Warning. No geeks or animals were hurt during these sequences. All code sequences are in real time and have not been shortened. Seriously.
In this demo, we're using the infamous Spring Pet Clinic sample, which is deployed on Tomcat and managed by Eclipse. XRebel runs as a Java agent, so installing XRebel is as simple as adding a JVM startup property. Sweet. In my browser, we see the usual Pet Clinic homepage, but with an additional toolbar. This is an HTML widget rendered automatically by XRebel, which we'll look at later. First, I just need to test some app functionality I wrote just behind this button here, and whoa! This notification generated by XRebel tells us that 37 SQL queries were executed during this request. Seriously, 37! This simple page shouldn't need more than a couple, but this is surprisingly common and surprisingly hard to track down. Clicking the notification lets us drill down and find out more information about these database queries. XRebel batches similar queries together so we can deal with the biggest culprits first. We can even map our queries directly onto our app source code, and as we see here, the load visits method is one of our culprits. We can find this code easily in our IDE using information from the stack trace. Here we can see the SQL statement in our code, and from the stack trace we saw this method is actually called by the load pets and visits method. Here we can see we're actually looping around executing the same SQL statement again and again. Oops, not scalable, not performant. XRebel helps you to diagnose and fix bugs in your database connections, as well as session state bloating and highlighting rogue backend exceptions, all with configurable thresholds that you can tune for your application environment. Now go forth, download your free 14-day XRebel trial, be awesome with it. Setup takes just 1 minute, even if you're not very good.